Over 60? Add this to your water for better muscle strength and hydration. What if I told you that the way you drink water after 60 could be the reason you're feeling tired, weak, or even struggling with muscle loss? You've been told to just drink more water, but what if that advice is only half the truth? In today's video, we're diving into 3 powerful additions you can make to your water that go far beyond hydration. We're talking about restoring energy, improving muscle strength, and keeping your body balanced and resilient as you age. And here's the best part. This isn't guesswork or internet fluff. Every tip you're about to hear is fact-checked by professional health researchers, so you can trust that what you're putting into your body is both safe and backed by science. So stay with me, because near the end, I'll share a simple, natural mineral mix you can stir into your water every morning. It takes less than 30 seconds, but it could completely transform how you feel throughout the day. Let's get into it. Number 1. Fresh lemon plus pink Himalayan salt. Mineral boost water. All right, let's talk about something really simple, but powerful. I'm talking about adding just 2 ingredients to your daily water: fresh lemon and a tiny pinch of pink Himalayan salt. That's it. No fancy supplements, no expensive powders, just nature doing what it does best. Now, you might be thinking, lemon and salt? That's for salad, not hydration. But hear me out. This combination is a hidden gem, especially if you're over 60 and trying to stay hydrated, energized, and strong. Let's start with the lemon. Fresh lemon juice is more than just a splash of citrus. It's packed with vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron more efficiently. And guess what iron does? It supports muscle oxygenation. That means better endurance, less fatigue, and more strength when you're moving through your day. But there's more. Lemon is naturally alkalizing, even though it's acidic to taste. When it enters your body, it helps balance pH levels, which supports healthy muscle function and reduces inflammation. So if you're waking up with stiff joints or sore muscles, this little yellow fruit might help you feel looser, more mobile, and more refreshed. Now let's talk about the pink Himalayan salt. This isn't your regular table salt. It's unrefined and contains over 80 trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, calcium, and sodium that your muscles love, especially magnesium and potassium, which are essential for preventing cramps, improving muscle contractions, and keeping your hydration levels balanced. You see, as we age, our bodies naturally lose minerals faster, especially if we're sweating more, taking certain medications, or simply not eating enough mineral-rich foods. That's where this little trick comes in. Just a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt, not more than 1/8 of a teaspoon, in your lemon water can help restore electrolytes, support your nervous system, and give your muscles the minerals they need to function properly. And here's a bonus. This mix also supports digestion. It can stimulate stomach acid and bile flow, which helps you better absorb the nutrients from your meals. And better digestion means better energy, better muscle repair, and better overall health. Let's paint the picture. You start your day with a glass of warm or room temperature water. You squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Then you add that tiny pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Stir it, sip it slowly, and give your body that gentle wake-up call it craves. Many people say they feel more alert, less bloated, and more energized within just a few days of starting this routine. But the real magic? It's what happens over time. That consistent mineral support helps maintain muscle tone, keep your heart rhythm steady, and even reduce that afternoon crash that leaves many of us reaching for coffee or sugar. If you've been feeling a little sluggish, or your legs feel heavy after a short walk, or you're waking up tired, even after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, this could be your natural, side effect-free solution. It's easy, it's cheap, it takes less than 30 seconds to prepare. But the benefits, they ripple out across your entire body. So go ahead, try your own Mineral Boost water tomorrow morning. Your muscles will thank you. Your energy will thank you. And honestly, so will your mood. Number 2. Creatine monohydrate, micronized form. Let's talk about one of the most underrated muscle boosters out there, especially for people over 60. And no, it's not just for bodybuilders or gym fanatics. It's called creatine monohydrate, specifically the micronized form. And if you've never heard of it or you've been unsure about it, I'm here to make it really simple and crystal clear. Now, first things first, creatine is not a steroid. It's not harmful when used correctly, and it's actually one of the most well-researched supplements in the world. What's even more exciting is that older adults can benefit from it just as much, if not more, than younger folks. So what is it, really? Creatine is a natural compound that your body already makes in small amounts. It's stored in your muscles and acts like a battery charger, giving you short bursts of energy when you move, lift, walk upstairs, or carry groceries. And as we age, guess what happens? Our natural creatine levels begin to drop. That's one of the reasons we feel weaker, tire faster, or lose muscle more easily, even if we're eating right. That's where micronized creatine monohydrate steps in. Micronized just means the particles are smaller, so it dissolves easier in water and is easier on your stomach. No bloating, no gritty taste, just clean, simple support for your muscle strength, brain power, and energy levels. Now, here's the good part. When you add a small scoop of creatine, usually about 3 to 5 grams, to your water daily, you're actually recharging your muscles. Think of it like putting fuel in a low tank. You start noticing that your movements feel more solid, like your body has a little more power behind every step or lift. And yes, this even works if you're not doing any heavy workouts. Studies have shown that older adults who supplement with creatine, even without intense exercise, experience less muscle loss, better balance, improved walking speed, and even better memory and brain function. Pretty amazing, right? But here's the key: consistency. Creatine works best when you take it daily, even on days you're not active. You don't need to cycle on and off, and there's no need for high doses or loading phases. That's old school. Just a steady, daily scoop in your water is enough to keep your muscles strong, your mind sharp, and your energy steady. A lot of seniors are hesitant to try it because they think it's only for young athletes. But the truth is, your muscles need even more support as you age because we naturally lose lean muscle mass after 50. It's called sarcopenia, and it can sneak up quietly, making it harder to stand from a chair, keep your balance, or lift everyday objects. Creatine helps slow that down. It helps you stay independent, mobile, and strong. And the beauty is, it's odorless, tasteless, and mixes easily, especially the micronized version. Just stir it into your morning water or your post-breakfast drink, and you're done for the day. Simple. Now here's something extra motivating. Creatine doesn't just benefit your muscles. Recent research shows it supports brain health too. We're talking better memory, faster thinking, and even mood stability. Why? Because your brain uses creatine for energy as well. It's all connected. So if you're someone who wants to keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your energy steady, without turning to harsh stimulants or overhyped supplements, creatine monohydrate might be the one thing missing from your daily routine. It's gentle, it's safe, it's backed by science, and honestly, it could be a game changer. So tomorrow, when you fill your water bottle, consider dropping in that scoop of micronized creatine. Your muscles and your future self will be glad you did. Number 3. Electrolyte powder with magnesium and potassium. Let's talk about something that might seem basic, but can make a huge difference in how you feel every single day, especially if you're over 60. It's called electrolyte powder, and more specifically, the kind that includes magnesium and potassium. These aren't just fancy words on a supplement label. They're essential minerals your body craves, especially when it comes to hydration, muscle strength, energy levels, and even heart health. Now, let's be real. Most of us were told to just drink more water to stay healthy. And yes, water is critical. But here's the thing most people miss. Drinking plain water isn't always enough. In fact, if you're not getting the right minerals with it, too much plain water can actually flush out the electrolytes you already have. That's right, you could be hydrated on the outside and depleted on the inside. That's where electrolyte powders come in, and they're especially important as we age. Let's start with magnesium. Magnesium is like the conductor of your body's energy orchestra. It plays a key role in over 300 biochemical reactions. From helping your muscles contract and relax, to keeping your heartbeat steady, to supporting nerve function and bone strength. This mineral is doing a lot behind the scenes. But here's the issue. As we get older, magnesium deficiency becomes more common. Why? Because our bodies don't absorb it as efficiently. Medications like diuretics or antacids can also lower magnesium levels. And if you're eating processed foods or skipping leafy greens, you're probably not getting enough through your diet. The result? You might feel tired, weak, crampy, or restless, especially at night. Ever get those annoying leg cramps that wake you up from sleep? Magnesium deficiency could be to blame. Now let's bring in potassium, another powerhouse mineral that works alongside magnesium. Potassium is crucial for muscle performance, fluid balance, and blood pressure control. It helps your muscles contract smoothly and your heart beat in rhythm. If you're low on potassium, you might feel fatigued, lightheaded, or notice your muscles feel heavy and slow. Here's the real kicker. Low potassium can sneak up silently, especially if you're sweating a lot, taking blood pressure meds, or not eating enough potassium-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, or avocados. But when you combine magnesium and potassium in the right balance, as many quality electrolyte powders do, you create a hydration powerhouse that supports your muscles, your nerves, and your overall energy. Now, I want to clear something up. Not all electrolyte powders are created equal. Many of them are loaded with sugar, artificial dyes, and other stuff your body doesn't need. What you want is a clean electrolyte blend, something with zero or low sugar, natural ingredients, and a solid dose of magnesium, potassium, and maybe a little sodium to round things out. Here's how it works. You take a scoop or small packet of electrolyte powder and stir it into your water. Maybe in the morning when you wake up, after a walk, or when you feel drained in the afternoon. You don't need a lot. One serving is usually enough to replenish what your body has lost through daily activity, sweating, and even just aging. What happens next? And here's the beauty of it. Unlike energy drinks or coffee, electrolytes don't give you a jittery high or a crash. It's just clean energy, because you're giving your body the minerals it actually needs to function smoothly. Another bonus? Electrolyte powders support heart rhythm and blood pressure stability, two things that become extra important as we age. Remember, both magnesium and potassium are directly linked to cardiovascular health. So by staying topped up, you're not just supporting your muscles, you're taking care of your heart too. And here's one more thing I love about this. It's easy. There's no pill to swallow, no special timing. You just stir it into water and sip. It becomes a part of your hydration routine without feeling like a chore. You can even add it to your water bottle and take it on the go. That's the kind of habit that sticks and makes a difference over time. So if you've been drinking plenty of water, but still feeling tired, crampy, weak, or foggy, this could be the missing link. Your body needs more than just water. It needs smart hydration. And a clean, well-formulated electrolyte powder with magnesium and potassium might be exactly what you need to feel refreshed, mobile, and strong again. You're never too old to optimize your energy. You're never too late to rebuild strength from the inside out. And sometimes, the difference starts with just one glass, the right kind of glass. So go ahead, give it a try. Stir it in, sip it slowly, and feel the shift. Because when your body gets the minerals it's been quietly asking for, the results speak for themselves. Summary. So let's quickly recap. We explored 3 simple yet powerful ingredients you can add to your daily water to boost muscle strength, hydration, and overall vitality, especially after 60. From the natural electrolyte support of fresh lemon and pink Himalayan salt, to the muscle recharging power of micronized creatine, and finally, the deeply restorative benefits of a clean electrolyte powder packed with magnesium and potassium. Each one offers a unique way to support your body from the inside out. And the best part? They're all easy to use, affordable, and backed by real science. If you've been feeling tired, weak, or just not like yourself lately, making these small changes to your hydration routine could be the gentle reset your body has been asking for. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe for more senior health tips just like this, and share this with someone you care about. And as always, before making any changes to your diet or supplements, talk to your doctor or healthcare provider, especially if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications. Take care of yourself, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.